Welcome to the How of Business YouTube channel, where you will find information and resources to help you start, run, and grow your small business. Whether you are planning to start your first small business or you're currently a small business owner, I'm confident you'll find information here that will help you with building a successful and profitable business. This is Henry Lopez, and I'm the host of the top-rated podcast, The How of Business. Every week, I bring you a new episode to help you with your small business. I invite you to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss an episode. The How of Business also offers the resources you need to realize your small business goals, including workshops, trusted service partners, and small business coaching programs. I encourage you to also visit my website, thehowofbusiness.com, to find other resources like free tools that you can download and to schedule a free business coaching consultation with me. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel.